Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Also, if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Preeti. I make beauty related videos every week, and if you're into that, please consider subscribing. It would mean so much to me. And in today's video, I'm going to create this beautiful mauvey glittery eye look. So if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. So to start with, I'm going to use this CoverGirl concealer to prime my eyes. Also, a lot of you guys wanted to see me use the new makeup that I got from the US. Actually, one of my friends brought it here for me in India. So I thought of using it all in today's video. So for eyeshadow, I have the Minaj Mova eyeshadow palette from Colourpop, and I'm going to dip into the shade called Novel and After Midnight. I'm kind of mixing these two shades together and buffing them into my crease. Also, the power went off and it was so hot, I was literally sweating, so I decided to tie my hair up. By the way, do you guys know that I have never tied my hair up in front of camera? I don't know why. I know why, because I was very self-conscious. I'm still very self-conscious, but initially I used to be very uptight while filming my videos, but now I feel a little bit more comfortable. I think you guys can sense it. Like, I talk to you guys like you're literally my friends. You are my friends, but you know, there's some comfort. I don't feel the fear of judgment because you guys have been so sweet. My community has been so sweet. Every one of you just appreciates me, and I don't feel that fear anymore. And I should thank you guys because you guys are taking my insecurities away, and I love you. Okay, I had a moment there. Anyway, coming back to the video. Next, I'm dipping into this shade called Crave, and I'm putting it on the inner part of my lid. Next, I'm placing the shade Obsession almost at the center of my lid to create an ombre effect. And lastly, I'm taking the shade No Drama and I'm smoking out my outer corner. Next, I used my favorite shade. It's called Thrillist. I used it on my inner corner. I also applied it on the top of the off-white shade we applied. It just gave it a slight wash of sparkle. The camera is not catching it right, but it looks really beautiful in person. Also, this palette has two pressed glitters, so I decided to use one of them to cut my crease, and I think it looked amazing. I wish I had thinner brush though, because I used a flat shader brush, so it was a bit difficult to create a precise line. But I think it still looks fine, and I love the glitter on my lid. I think it looks amazing, and that's the finished eye look. Now moving on to the face makeup, I'm going to take the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Primer, and to be honest, this primer feels like a good moisturizer. It hydrates your skin. You can see my skin looks very plumped. It gives you that glowy finish. But I don't know, this primer doesn't seem to work for me because every time I apply this primer, I have this weird burning sensation. Maybe I'm sensitive to some of the ingredients in the primer, and it's also heavily fragranced. I love the finish, but I don't like the burning sensation, of course. So this is not my favorite product. So for foundation, we again have the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Foundation, and I have it in the shade 95N, and this shade is a little lighter for me. Also, I think I picked the wrong undertone. I chose neutral undertone, but I feel like it's a little too pink for me. I should have gone with something more warmer. But yeah, it's not that bad, and I really love the finish again. So yeah, I think I can make it work. Now for concealer, I have the CoverGirl concealer. Now this concealer was very famous initially when it was launched because it was called as a Dew for Tarte Shape Tape. But personally, I didn't like it that much. I feel like the L'Oreal Full Wear concealer is better. They are very similar. Trust me, they come very close to each other. But I feel like this one emphasizes my texture a bit more. And I also feel like this is a bit drying. So yeah, it's a good concealer, but I would rather prefer the L'Oreal one. So moving on to the powder, I have the Beauty Bakery Flour Powder, and I love it so much because it's so smooth. I love it. It does a great job of setting your face. It just makes you look very flawless, and it's very light, feels amazing for everyday use. Plus the packaging was super cute. I have saved the packaging because it is so unique and so cute. I'm obsessing over it. Next, I took my Colourpop eyeshadow palette again and I dipped into the shade called Obsession and I applied it to my lower lash line. Moving on to the product that I'm currently obsessed with, it's the Morphe Glamour Bronze Face and Body Bronzer. It is in the shade Mega Star. This is the perfect bronze shade for me, period. I feel like from the moment I have got this bronzer, I just can't keep it down. It's so smooth and it has this perfect warm bronzy tone to it and I'm literally obsessed. Plus the pan size is so huge. I feel like I will never hit pan on this bronzer because look at it, it's so huge. And Morphe is now available in India, so I'm sure they will launch these bronzers too. And whenever they do, I highly recommend you to get your hands on these because they are amazing. For blush, I have the BH Cosmetics Vanilla Cream Truffle palette. It's again very cute. I love the packaging and every time I open this palette, I feel like eating it because it smells so delicious. And I'm gonna mix these two shades together. Also, they are very pigmented. For highlighter, I'm going to use the Barbie highlighter from Colourpop. It's a great everyday highlighter. It looks really subtle and gives that glow from within sort of a look. Also, if you're planning to buy something from Colourpop, make sure you look for coupon codes because I found a coupon code and I got $24 off, which is a lot. If you guys don't know, you can order Colourpop in India. I have done it twice and I had to pay 40% customs. Colourpop does deliver to India. You get your products within 30 days. At least I got mine within 30 days both the time. For mascara, I used the CoverGirl Clump Crusher mascara, but I felt like it was a little dry and didn't do much for my lashes, so I went back to the Benefit Bad Girl Bang. I have used the orange mascara from CoverGirl and it was really good, but I didn't like this one, the green one. Then I went ahead and applied some lipsticks. I'll link all of them down below. And finally, I went ahead and set my face using the Pretty Fresh setting spray from Colourpop. I love the packaging of this whole line. It looks so cute and aesthetically pleasing. I mean, you guys agree with me, right? Plus, the mist on this spray is so fine. It literally feels like a cloud. And that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!